Hello and welcome to Easy Peasy English. I am so happy you are here today. Do you ever feel stuck? Do you ever feel like every day is the same? Today, we have a special story for you. It's a motivational story to help you learn English and inspire your life. The story is called Don't Waste Your Life. The words are simple and easy for beginners. Listen carefully. We will learn some new words together. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the story of a man named Alex. Alex was a good man. He had a job. He had a small apartment. But Alex was not happy. He felt stuck. Every day was the same for Alex. This was his routine. He would wake up, go to work, eat dinner, watch TV, go to sleep, wake up, go to work. The same every day.
Alex had a dream.
His dream was to be a photographer. He loved beautiful pictures of mountains, forests, and oceans. He had an old camera in his closet, but he never used it. He would tell himself, I am too tired today, or I am too busy, or my camera is not good enough. These were his excuses. So he did nothing. He just looked at other people's photos on his phone, and he felt sad. One evening, Alex looked in the mirror. He saw a tired, unhappy face. He asked himself, is this not life? Is this all? And in that moment, he decided, no, I want to change. The next day, Alex did not take a big step. He took a very, very small step. He took one small action. He opened his closet and took out his old camera. He did not go outside. He just held it in his hands. It felt good. It felt real. The next day, he took another small action. He walked to his window. He saw a small flower in a pot. He pointed the camera at the flower, and he took one photo. The photo was not perfect, but it was his photo. For the first time in a long time, Alex smiled, a real smile. He made a new rule for himself. One photo every day, just one. This became his new habit. Some days were easy. The sun was shining. He took a photo of a beautiful tree. Some days were hard. It was raining. He took a photo of the raindrops on his window. But he did not miss a day. One photo every day. A month passed. Alex had 30 photos. He looked at them on his computer. He could see his progress. His first photos were okay. His new photos were better. He was learning. He was growing. Alex started to change. He was no longer the tired, sad man. He started waking up early to see the morning light. He walked in new places to find new photos. He talked to people about his pictures. He was not a famous photographer. He did not sell his photos. That was not the point. The point was, he felt alive. He was not wasting his life anymore. He was living it, one small photo at a time. What a wonderful story. Do you see the message? Alex did not change everything in one day. He started with one small action. That became a habit, and that habit changed everything. Your English learning is the same. Maybe you feel stuck. Maybe your dream is to speak English well. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't make excuses. Take one small action today. Learn one new word. Watch one English video. Say one sentence out loud. Make it a habit, and soon you will see progress. You will feel confident. You will feel alive with your new skill. Let's review the words from our story. Stuck, not able to move. I feel stuck in my job. Routine, doing the same things every day. My morning routine is to drink coffee. Dream, a big hope for the future. My dream is to travel the world. Action, doing something. We need to take action now. Habit, something you do often. Brushing my teeth is a daily habit. Progress, getting better. I can see progress in my English. Alive, full of life and energy. I feel so alive when I listen to music. Don't waste your life. Start today. Start small. You can do it. Thank you so much for watching and learning with Easy Peasy English. If this story helped you, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos to help you learn English. Now, here's my question to you. What is one small action you will take today for your dream? Tell me in the comments. I can't wait to read your answers. See you in the next video. Goodbye.